I'm so ready to do this. Today we're at the home of Joshua Muhammad Waller. We're here to wake him up. It's approximately 6:32 and we feel like he slept too long. So we're gonna wake him up. But we have tools. This morning we have Patrick on the electric guitar, shredding up the storm. And this morning we have Steven on the bush trimmer, because we're gonna shred off Josh's covers. This morning we have Caleb Strum on vocals. What's up? It's 6:45. It's time for Josh to wake up. Alright, here we go. You alright, buddy? You still filming?
Oh, dude.
Okay, man. Josh, you know you had to be a victim of this.
We just need to yeah.
We need to see you for 5 minutes.
We
We just need to interview you.
Just about a 2-minute thing.
Did he even play?
No, it's like playing out there.
You're fired, okay? You're never playing that again. Josh, how did you just feel like it? You feel taken advantage of, right? Sorry.
You feel like the intern should be fired, don't you?
You don't trust us, right? Alright, bro. Back to sleep. Today we were successful in waking up Joshua. Tune in next time for another episode of Human Walking Car.